Today, in this video, we are going to talk about change period analysis. Before that, in INSYS, we have a DSI system which helps us to continuously fetch the data from the manufacturing system, and it also helps us to calculate the time about the data, and also it calculates the time of the change in data, and also it calculates how much time that there is a change in the data, and also saves the time. So now let us see what is meant by the change period. Generally, in the manufacturing industries, the processes undergoes in different states. Each state is unique. For example, if you are talking about a reactor or column, then sometimes it may be in the normal zone, or sometimes it may be in the danger, and sometimes it is in the critical zone. These different states are called as change periods. Whenever the period or state changes, we are trying to do some analysis regarding that. So that's why we call it as a change period analysis. And why we use this change period analysis? We can use this change period analysis for monitoring the reactor performance or column performance, and also it can be used for monitoring or calculating the downtime analysis for an equipment. For example, if you wanted to know the last 1 week or 1 month running time data or stop time data, at that time we can use this change period analysis. So now for this change period analysis, we are taking an example to calculate the downtime analysis for an reactor by taking it condition for the feed status. For that, from the INSYS main page, navigate to INSYS Infoview, give the name for the Infoview as change period, and give a calculator tag as feed status, feed status. Now give the start time as current month to today. It's 0 minutes with the 0 interval. Now enable the show as table option. Now go to tag details. From here, expand this calculation feed area. Now let us give the condition here. Like if feed status, the feed status tag will be F51501 dot PV, and add this tag to the calculation field expression is greater than 450. Click 0 and 1 and click on the done button. Now select the enumeration as on and off. Now change the color of the tag. Now go to settings, go to view related, enable the change period. So from here we can see that from this time period, current month to today, the reactor on count is 124 times and the off count is 125 times. The total time that the reactor is at off is 22.267 hours, and the time the reactor is at on is 7.607, and the percent time is also given here. And also if we come down, we can see the period start time and period end time. This period has been started at 7/1/2023 at 6:39 p.m. and the period end at 6:46. It's around 0.117 hours. So this is how we can use the change period analysis to calculate the downtime analysis for an reactor by using a feed flow. In some cases, if we have an on and off tag, at the time also we can calculate the change period analysis. For example, if we have taken a compressor and it has an on and off time, by placing the condition or the expression over here, we can also get the change period analysis or downtime analysis for that particular compressor. Thanks for watching this video.